So one of the key inputs into your strategy planning process has to be feedback, both from your customers together with your employees. Now let's start with your customers. Now your customers generally won't like to complete written surveys. As a result, I recommend you maybe identify your top 10 customers and give them a phone call. Now on this call, don't ask them really how much they actually like your products or services. You want them to talk about their favourite subject. So let them talk about themselves first. Then ask them these questions. Firstly, how are you doing? You want to understand the opportunities and challenges facing your customers. What their priorities for the coming year are. And more important, what they're projecting their sales will be for the coming year. Will they be up or will they be down? Then ask them, what is happening in their industry? This is your chance to identify the trends that might influence the ongoing development of your products or your services, and also give you a glimpse as to what other potential customers in the same industry are doing. Next question is, what do you hear about your competitors? Learn about your competition, learn what they are doing through the eyes of your customers, instead of relying on your own assumptions and your own analysis. Then finally, how do you like our products or services? Of course, you need to ask this question, but don't ask this question until the end. Next, gain feedback from your employees. Your employees understand your business better than anybody. They are closer to the customers and suppliers and the market on a day-to-day basis. Their unique insight should act as a primary input into the strategic planning process. Additionally, getting them involved will keep them engaged in the company, assisting with the implementation of the defined strategy, as well as encouraging them to contribute more and more in the future.